Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly you have to open your settings, then you have to enter System section, go to the backup. Firstly you will have to enable this feature, backup to Google Drive. Then you have to add your Google account. Of course you'll need internet connection to add Google account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number, then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last, you have to tap Accept here. OK. And now your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.